welcome to our maths class. In our previous class, we have completed exercise 2. We have completed exercise 3.2. Next, after exercise 3.2, we have prime factorization method. After exercise 2, we have factorization method. In our previous class, we have completed exercise 3.2. Before exercise 3.2, we have learned what is the definition of factor. What is the definition of factor, Nana? A number which divides other number exactly, then that two numbers are called factors of that number. That means a number which divides other number exactly is called factor of that number. That is the definition of factor. Today we will learn about factorization. Today we will learn about factorization. Factorization means when a number expressed as a product of its factors. When a number is expressed as a product. When a number is expressed as product of its factors. When a number is expressed as product of its factors, then the two numbers are called, then that is called factorization. When a number is expressed as product of its factors. Product of its factors. That means what are the factors of 24? The factors of 24 are 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. These are the factors of 24. Now we are learning about factorization method. What is factorization? When a number is expressed as product of its factors. Product of its factors, then that is called factorization. The process of finding the factors of the given number is called factorization. The product of finding the factors. We can find the factors like this also. By using factorization also we can find the factors. By using factorization method also we can find the factors. In the factorization method we have two types of factorizations. One is first. Here we are learning about prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization. Factorization means the product of, when a number is expressed as product of its factors. When a number is expressed as product of its factors, then that is called factorization. Then the process of finding the factors. The process of finding the factors is called factorization. The process of finding the factors is called factorization. That means we can find the factors like this also. 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24. This is called factorization. The process of finding the factors. Factors ని యూజ్ చేయడానికి మనం ఏ ప్రాసెస్ ని యూజ్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్ని ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ అంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్. ఇన్ దిస్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ then here I have written prime factorization. What I have written here? Here I have written prime factorization. Prime factorization means the process of finding the factors only with prime numbers are called prime factorization method. Now we have learned the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Now first of all, what is the definition of prime numbers? The definition of prime numbers is the numbers which having only two factors are called prime numbers. A number kaithe two maatrame factors untayi vaatni prime numbers antaru. What are the factors? The factors are 1 and itself. The numbers which having only two factors are called prime numbers. The two factors are 1 and itself. That are prime numbers. Now here I have written prime factorization. Prime factorization means the process of finding the factors are called factorization. Prime factorization means the process of finding the factors by using only prime numbers. Only prime numbers ni maatrame use cheసి factors ni find out చేసేదాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే prime factorization method అంటారు. Understand? The process of finding the factors by using only prime numbers are called prime factorization method. Understand? Once again, the process of finding the factors by using only prime numbers. Why I am saying only prime numbers? Because here we are learning about prime factorization method. మనం prime factorization method ని నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం కదా, అందుకని అందుకని the process of finding the factors by using only prime numbers are called prime factorization method. In this prime factorization method, we have two methods. One is here, one is division method. One is division method. Another one is factor tree method. Another one is factor tree method. By using these two methods, we can find the prime factorization. But in these two methods, we have to use only prime numbers. Then how to do division method? Division method ఎలా చేయాలి చూడండి. Here I am taking I'll take 8 here first. I'll take one digit number. I'll take 8 here. Now we have to find the factors for 8 by using division method. Division method లో 8 కి prime factors find out చేయాలి. ఎలా find out చేయాలంటే, now first of all you have to write here. Now I said prime factorization. No, while you are finding the prime factorization, you have to start the factorization from least prime number. What is the least prime number? Least means smallest prime number. What is the smallest prime number? 2 is the smallest prime number. Is a number is possible with least prime number? First the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. You have to complete this division method by using only these prime numbers. That means up to 100. 100 వరకు ఏ prime numbers అయితే ఉన్నాయో ఆ prime numbers ని మాత్రమే యూజ్ చేయాలి. Then while you are finding the factorization method, first of all you have to start with the least prime number. The least prime number is 2. If it is not possible with 2, then you will go with 3. If it is not possible with 3, then you will go with 5. If it is not possible with 5, then you will go with 7. But you have to use prime numbers. 2 తో possible కాకపోతే 3 తో చేయాలి. 3 తో possible కాకపోతే 5, otherwise 7, otherwise 9, 11 sorry. But you have to use these numbers only. Okay, understand? Now go with the 8. Now we'll start with 8 with 2. Is the 8 is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible. So 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. మనం ఈ డివిజన్ మెథడ్ ని ఎక్కడ వరకు చేయాలంటే until you will get the prime numbers. మళ్ళీ ఎండ్ లో కూడా prime number వచ్చేంత వరకు కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. Now is 4 is said to be a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. Again this 4 is also divisible by 2. So again 4 2s are 8. This 4 is divisible by 2, so you have to take 2 2s are 4. So the prime factorization of 8 is 2 into 2. Understand? Like this you have to find the factors for 2. Then I'll take here 18. I'll take here 18. Is 18 is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible. That is 2 9s are 18. Again, now here we got 9. Is 9 is divisible by 2? 9 and 2 to divisible avutunda లేదు. Then what is the next smallest prime number? Least prime number 3. Now is 9 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible. That is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So in the division method, the factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Understand? Like this you have to find. Then I'll take here 24. Madam, here this 18 is also possible in 3 table. No? 3 తో కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. మీరు ఎందుకు 2 తోనే స్టార్ట్ చేశారంటే, if you want to, just now I said you have to start with least prime number. Least prime number తో స్టార్ట్ చేయమని చెప్పాను. If that is not possible with least prime number, then you have to go to the next number. Okay, if you want to take directly 3, you can directly take 3 also, that is no problem. 3 6 are 18. Again 6 is possible in 2 tables, that is 3 2s are 6, until you will get the prime number. చివరికి prime number ఎంత చేయమన్నారు కదా. 3 is a prime number, 2 is also prime number. 3 into 3 into 2, 3 into 3 into 2, no problem. But you have to start with least prime number, that is better. Now I'm taking here 24. Is 24 is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible. How? Now see here 2 in 2 table. First we'll take 1 by 1 digit. In 2 table 2 is possible. Yes, that is possible. That is 2 1s are 2. Then 2 has completed. Next come with 4. Now in 2 table 4 is possible. Yes, that is possible. That is 2 2s are 4. Now 2 12s are 24. Okay. Next. Again these 12 is possible in 2 table? Yes, it is possible. That is 6 times. So 2 6 are 12. Again this 6 is possible in 2 table? Yes, that is 2 3s are 6. Now our factorization has completed. Why that has completed? Endu complete ayindi already cheppanu. Until you have to complete this process until you will get the prime number. Chivarku prime number chivarku cheyali kada. So 3 is a prime number. So factorization has completed. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The factorization of 24 is the factors of 24 are 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3. Otherwise you can write like this also. 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Understand? It is prime factorization method. In division method. Division method ante ila untundi kada. Then same come to the factory method. Factory method now I'll take here 16. To find the factors of 16 in factory method, how to find? Factory method is like this. Now I have taken here 16. Is 16 is possible in 2 table? Yes, it is possible. So that is 2 8s are 16. Why I have taken here 2 table only? In 4 table also 16 is possible in 4 table also. Then why you did not take 4? 4 in this column, 4 is not a prime number. Prime number kaadu kada. Only we have to, already I have written the heading prime factorization method. Here we have to use only prime numbers. Here I have used all the prime numbers. Here also all the prime numbers. So you have to use only prime numbers. 4 is not a prime number, so don't use 4. 8 is a 16. 8 is also a 8 is a 16, but 8 is not a prime number, so don't use 8 now. Directly 2 8 is a 16. And now here 2 is a prime number. So leave the 2 and come to the next number. Now come to the 8. Is 8 is a prime number? No, 8 is not a prime number. Again, is the 8 is possible in 2 table? Yes, that is 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 is a prime number. So leave the 2. Now is 4 is a said to be a prime number? 4 is a prime number avutunda? No. Then what are the factors of 2? 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. This is called factory method. Okay? This is called factory method. Now the factors of 16 are 2 comma 8 comma 4 comma 2. Just take only these 2 4 8. The factors of 16 are 2 4 8 16. See, 1 16 is 16, 61 is 16, 8 2 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 2 8 is 16. Like this. Now more one we will take here 10. So by using a prime factory method, find the factors of 10. 10 is divisible by 2. Yes, that is 2 5s are 10. If you want to take 5 2s also no problem. 5 and 2 both are prime numbers until you will get the prime numbers. Indulo kuda chivarku prime numbers vachinchala cheyali. Both are prime numbers. So the factors of 10 are 2 comma 5. Next more one will take here 14. Now find the factors of 14 by using factory method. Is 14 is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible. That is 2 7s are 14. 2 and 7 both are prime numbers. So the factors of 14 are 2 comma 7. All are prime numbers. Observe here. Every number is a prime number. Madam, the prime numbers తీసుకోమని చెప్పారు కదా. See here. 2 5 both are prime numbers. 2 7 both are prime numbers. Like this. You have to take only prime numbers. I'll take here 21. Is 21 is divisible by 2? 21 అనేది 2 తో divisible అవుతుందా? No. Then what is the next prime number? 3. Then is 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, that is divisible. That is 3 7s are 21. So the factors of 21 are 3 comma 7. The factors of 21 are 3 comma 7 by using factory method. Factory method is like this. Division method is like that. Understand? So you have, like this you have to find the factors in division method and in factory method. Now by using division method I will explain one large number. Here I will take 84. Here I will take 84 by using division method. Is 84 is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by, because already we have learned divisibility rules. If we have 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in the ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. In the ones place we have 4. So 84 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now again 42 is also divisible. That is 2 2s are 2 ones are. But this 21 is not divisible by 2. 21 అనేది 2 తో divisible కాదు కదా నాన్న. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Then we will go to the next prime number. What is the next prime number? 3. So 3 sevens are directly it is a prime number. 7 is there. It is a prime number. Up to here until you will get the prime number. చివరికి prime number చెందని చేయాలని చెప్పాను కదా. So here 7 is said to be a prime number. The factorization of 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Next, like this you have to find in division method. Then factor tree method. In factor tree method we will take one larger number. We will take 90 here. 90 ki factor tree method find out it. Is 90 is divisible by 2? Yes, that is divisible. That is 2 45s are 90. Because in the ones place we have 0. If we have 0, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. Then that is 2 45s are 90. If you don't know how many times, then simply do the division. 2 4s are 8. 8 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 0 down. 2 5s are 10. 45 2s are 90. So like this, you, by the division also you can find 2 45s are 90. Then 45 has completed, 2 has completed. Then leave the 2. Then come to the 45. Is 45 divisible by 2? No. Next. Come to that, what is the next prime number? 3. Then come with 3. Is 45 divisible by 3? Yes, 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 9 అవుతుంది కదా. Sum of the digits. 5 plus 4 9 కాబట్టి 3 తో divisible అవుతుంది. Now how many times? 3 15s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Then 3 is a prime number. Leave this 3 and come with 5. 15. Is 15 is divisible by 2? No. Is 15 is divisible with 3? Yes. 3 ones are 3 5s are 15. So the factors of 90 are 5, 15, 45, 90. By using factor tree method you have to find until you will get the prime numbers. Both are prime numbers, both are prime numbers. Like this you have to find both division method and factor tree method. Have you understood these two methods? If you have understood, then we will go through the exercise in next class. So learn these bits perfectly. Take any number and try. If you did not get, ask to me and explain. Call to me and ask to me and explain. Okay? Then listen carefully and learn this perfectly. If you know this, then in the next class we will go to the exercise. Okay?